last ride, second to the last day. Here we go. Front seat mount. All right.
I'm gonna take my glasses off for this one.
All right, let's go. Let's go before the film runs out here. Hey, look at aw.
All star.
There you go.
Man, I love being in front of the front seat. I rode the Batman one in the front seat too. That was cool.
All right, here we go. It's recording. For a second, here we go.
This used to terrify me when I was a kid.
One more day. No hands on the camera. They're good.
Did you get a good one?
Got a good one. Got a good video. All right.